How to install the Terma VAZ Smart Thermostatic Head. Before starting the installation of the VAZ Thermostatic Head, install the Terma Smart application. Create a user account within the application and add a new home where the device can be assigned. Prepare the password for the local Wi-Fi network. Unscrew the old thermostatic head from the valve. Power on the device by briefly pressing the plus or minus button on the front panel once. The new device will enter pairing mode for 5 minutes upon startup. The plus and minus buttons will blink at 1 second intervals. If the pairing mode does not start automatically, simultaneously press the plus and minus buttons. Release them after the third blinking of all LED strips. Launch the Terma Smart application and initiate the device pairing process detailed in separate tutorials for Android and iOS systems. Before mounting the thermostatic head on the radiator, press the minus button for 5 seconds to activate the maximum opening mode. This will facilitate the installation process. Install the thermostatic head onto the valve. The Terma VAZ Smart Thermostatic Valve is now ready for operation.